NestDoor is a neighborhood social network and online marketplace that connects neighbors to buy, sell, and share goods and services within their communities. Here's how it works. To access NestDoor, go to the website and sign up for an account using your email address or Facebook account. Once you've created your account, select your preferred location from the drop-down menu at the top of the page. Browse through the listings in your area by selecting a category such as For Sale, Services Offered, or Freebies. Use the search bar to find specific items or sellers. Click on a listing to see more details, including photos, price, location, and seller information. Contact the seller directly through email or messaging to ask questions or negotiate a price. If you're interested in buying an item, arrange to meet the seller in person to complete the transaction. Always exercise caution when meeting strangers and follow safety tips provided by NestDoor. Once you've made a purchase, leave feedback for the seller to help build their reputation on NestDoor. You can also post your own listings on NestDoor by clicking on the Post button and following the prompts to create a listing. NestDoor is available on desktop and mobile devices, making it convenient to use wherever you are. However, be aware that some cities have banned NestDoor due to safety concerns or legal issues, so check your local laws before using the platform.